You know, in South, I have visited temples. The big elephants, their one leg is chained in a very thin chain. If he just pushes his leg, he can just break that chain. I said, how come? So they told me that when the elephant was young, or when the elephant was brought, it was a very thick chain, and it was put in 2 legs. And that is how we were training. So the elephant felt helpless, and he created a limitation that he cannot break. After that, they reduced the size of the chain. They made it more thinner and thinner and thinner. Now it is a very thin chain. Now that is the limitation. It's a mental limitation, the mental block. Because when you are going to do the Shiva Yoga sadhana, all those limitations will erase. All those weaknesses will erase. But I do not want you to become an elephant who thinks he cannot break his limitations. You have already broken. In the very first sadhana, it is medically tested that disease disappear. But our faith, our belief, our limitation, the disease is there, we do not let go. The weaknesses disappear, but we are like that elephant. There is another very interesting experiment. The fish in the aquarium, they put a glass. They put a glass in between. And the fish goes and hit the glass and sees it is a barrier and swim only in that area. She cannot cross. After that, they remove the glass, but the fish will go up to that place and it will not cross over. Whereas the fish can easily swim and go to another area, but it comes back. And so is the human being. Now, what is the liberation? Liberation is we already have the infinite potential within us. I am Shiva. But the samskaras, the negative belief which I have created about myself, that I cannot become healthy, I cannot become young, I cannot succeed. It's like success is there, but I am like a fish who will go there, and because so many failure I have experienced, like a glass wall, I do not penetrate, I come back.